King School, Juliana, Shabir Campus. Grade 7, Presentation and Activity. A digestive system. Highlights of activity. Let's start.
Assalamualaikum and good morning.
Walaikum assalam and good morning.
Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, which is human digestive system. Digestion is a process in which food breaks down into the simple substance. Digestion system has many components. For example, mouth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, liver, large intestine, and last one, anus. Digestion process starts from the mouth, where physical digestion begins. The digestion process starts from mouth. Let's start.
In the process of mouth, cheek with the help of 32 teeth break the food into smaller pieces by cutting and grinding the food.
Saliva starts breaking down the carbohydrates and make food softer and is rolled to push the food into throat. Esophagus is a food pipe. The food travels from mouth to stomach. The food travels from mouth to stomach.
Stomach is a sac like organ that has a strong muscular walls. It secretes the hydrochloric acid, gastric juices, and powerful enzymes.
Liver produces bile juice, which is help to digest the fats.
Pancreas it also makes the juices which help to digest carbohydrates, protein, and fats.
The juices of liver and pancreas here. Two purposes are served here. First, food is broken down by using digestive enzymes and bile. Second, useful nutrients are absorbed here. After small intestine, the remaining food which has not become stool is transferred to large intestine. It is excreted out of the body through anus, which is the last part of the digestive tract.